So being out here, checking it out, what do you think? What's your impression?
Yeah, I mean, it's been great. You know, we eased in on Gold Mountain this morning. Most drivers out here know what they're doing. A couple new guys out here, so I thought that was a great start. I think where all the vehicles are built out, ready for it. You know, especially we've got more difficult ones upcoming this week. So it's been great.
So this road's pretty brutal right here. You know, knowing now what you guys know about this, what would you recommend somebody have in their setup to bring it out?
There's a lot of different variations of builds, right? Depending on how much clearance you want with lifts and tire size, that's kind of where we'll dial you in on the correct gear ratio. But everyone can benefit from the upgraded axle shafts, the 4340 chromolys. Then paired up with Eaton E-lockers, you could do a 35 spline upgrade, which is also going to give added strength.
Let's keep it going, man. We got to get down and around here, and then I think it spits us out. I act like I've been here before.
The John Bull Trail is one of the toughest sections on the Big Bear Trail loop, packed with rock gardens, steep climbs, and tight technical lines. It's all part of the San Bernardino National Forest. And out here, lockers and a solid set of tires make all the difference. That's why the Revolution Gear and Axle Jeeps are making quick work of this first obstacle.